Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this page to my site or to my domain so that other people can see it and so that it's live. Okay, so to do that you have two options. You could either use cPanel or you could use FTP. In this video I'm going to use FTP, and you can get free tools for that. Okay, so I just typed in FTP on Google and you can see there's free tools you could use here. I use FileZilla, and I believe that's the most popular one here. And so when you download that and open it, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what I'm going to focus on is the right side here. So this is where I can find my site. I'm just going to click here, and you're going to want to go to public HTML, and this is where you can find all your domains. Okay, or you could add new domains onto here. So I'm just going to go to the first one I see here. Okay, so this is where I'm going to upload the site. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this squeeze page tutorial, because that's where that's the folder that contains my squeeze page. As you can see here, I have the index file. That's the squeeze page. I called it index, and then this is the images, which contains the image that I put on there. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that. Okay, so I can't really paste it onto here right now, so I'm just going to drag it onto there. So I'm just going to go back here, and I'm just going to grab that folder and I'm going to drag it onto here. Okay, and as you can see, it's being uploaded, and there, it should be ready. So now to find the page, I will just go to this domain 100plr.com/squeeze page tutorial /index. Okay, so let's just type it down here, 100plr.com, and then the name of the folder, tutorial index.html. Okay, so let's go see if that got uploaded, see if it works fine. And there you go.